Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to start a new topic, water. Now students, what we are going to learn about the uses of water? Students, do you know water is very precious to us? Students, now let's discuss about some uses of water. Students, we use water everywhere. Now students, we will discuss about the uses of water at home. We use water cooking, drinking, washing, bathing, cleaning home, etc. Now students, open your book iitjee level 5. Open page number 38 and 39. Our theme is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. In this picture, a lady watering the plant. B-A-T-H, bath. In this picture, a mother was helping to her child for taking a bath. D-R-I-N-K, drink. In this picture, a boy was drinking a water. C-O-O-K, cook. Water is also used for cooking. Now, read the 38 page number. W-A-S-H, wash. This man was washing the utensils. Now read the spelling of utensils. U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S, utensils. The man was washing the utensils. Now students, in this activity I have a 2 glass. One glass is empty and one glass is full of water. Now students, take this glass of water and fill the water in this glass, and you listen the sound and the bubbles. Now the glass is full of water. Water is very important for ourselves. Now students, open your page number 40. I can achieve a book. Fill the glass with water. Now students, here we do finger painting with watercolor blue like this. In this activity students, I will make a fishing pool with the help of beads. I keep some letters in the pool. Now students, tell me which letter is this? This is the letter D. Now speak more words. Letter D like D, D, doll. D, D, dog. D, D, dolphin. This is the letter. Which letter is this? L. L, L, line. L, lamp. L leaf. L ladder. M mango. M man. M mama. M moon. M mouse. Which letter is this? H. H hen. H hat. H hand. H hairs. Students, you do this activity with the help of your parents. Now students, open your book. I Can Achiever phonetic booklet. Open page number 57. Sight words. Look at these words. Read them aloud. HAVE have. MUST must. NOW now. PLEASE please. HE he. INTO into. NO no. PRETTY pretty. LIKE like. NEW new. ON on. RAN ran. Now students, open page number 58. Read the words and practice writing them. MASS mess. PASS pass. BRASS brass. CLASS class. GLASS glass. GRASS grass. Right here these words. Now open page number 59. Here students, you also read. MESS mess. CHESS chess. STRESS stress. PRESS press. MISS miss. KISS kiss. HISS hiss. BLISS BOSS boss. TOSS toes. LOSS loss. MOSS moss. CROSS cross. GROSS gross. GLOSS gloss. ACROSS across. Now open page number 61. Here students, you read the word and practice writing them. LL words. BALL ball. CALL call. FALL fall. HALL hall. MALL mall. TALL tall. Now open page number 62. BELL bell. DELL del. FELL fell. SELL cell. TELL tell. W-E-L-L, well. Now open page number 63. B-I-L-L, bill. D-I-L-L, dill. F-I-L-L, fill. G-I-L-L, gill. H-I-L-L, hill. M-I-L-L, mill. W-I-L-L, will. Here students, you read and write and practice them. Now students, let's recite a rhyme. Water. La 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 la. Water is precious, water is water is cool, water is cool. Water is precious, water is precious. Water is cool, water is cool. I drink it where I am thirsty. I drink it when I am thirsty. At home and at school, at home and at school. Water is wet, water is fun. Water is wet, water is fun. I play in the little water pool. I under the sun, under the sun, under the sun. La 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 la. La 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 la. Water is precious. La 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 la. Now students, let's do an activity. In this activity, I have some shapes like square, oval, semicircle, circle, rectangle and triangle. And I have some beads also. Now students, you make the shapes with the help of beads. Now students, make the oval shape with the help of beads like this. Now students, see, is this an oval shape? Egg is found in also oval shape. Now students, next we draw a shape of triangle. This is a triangle and is cutting is also in triangle shape. Now draw a square shape. In square shape, all the sides are equal. All sides are equal. It has 4 corners, but all the sides are equal. In the rectangle shape, students, two sides are long and two are short. See students, is this a rectangle? Now students, make the shape of a semicircle with the help of beads. This is a semicircle. Now students, open page number 41 of your book, I Can Achiever Level 5. Here students should draw the lines to complete the shapes. First shape is square, so complete the shape of square. Firstly, we draw a standing line, after that slipping line. In this, we draw two slipping lines and complete the shape of square. In this line, we draw a standing line and slipping line and complete the square shape. Now, next is a circle. So draw a circle like this. Make a half circle and complete the circle. Here also there is a 1/4 part of circle is missing, so join these dots to complete the circle. Next picture is the picture of triangle. One slanting line is here, you draw another slanting line and then slipping line to complete the triangle. You complete the triangles, these also. Now we complete the cylindrical shape. We draw a half curve line here and complete the cylindrical shape. You complete these shapes also and make a cylinder. Now this is the shape of rectangle. Now here you draw a standing line and complete the shape of rectangle. You also complete these two rectangles. Next shape is oval shape. So half oval is drawn and half we will draw and complete the oval shape. You complete these two shapes also and color it all the shapes. Now the next shape is semicircle. Half is drawn, you draw on this side and complete the half circle. Like this you draw these shapes also and complete the shapes and color it. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss with them what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children, do your work, play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.